I am Ayush, and in this video I am going to tell you what is coding and what are the different languages of coding. So coding is a language by which we can communicate with the computer. Means we can communicate with the computer by using languages like Hindi, English or any other language that you prefer. You will have to use a specific language that is known as coding. There are a lot of different languages in coding like Java, C++, Python, and for low level languages like COBOL, then QBasic and many more. So for beginners, we are going to use Python as it is very easy to code with Python and creating GUIs, web development and many more games also. So in Python, first of all, you will need to install two softwares. By using these two software, you can code with Python or getting started with Python. First of all, go to the Visual Studio Code website. This is a type of software that is used to code with each and every language, means Java, C++, COBOL. So I came to this website, and now in the top right corner, as yes, you can see there is a option of download. When you will click on it, you'll get this interface like Windows, Mac, and Linux also. So I'm using Windows, and there is no need for me to download it again. If you want to download, just click on it. And as I have already downloaded both the software, as you can see, 3.10 Python and then Visual Studio Codes. Then now for Python, you'll have to just go to this website, click on downloads, then all releases, and there will be option of download for Windows. There will be Python 3.10.2. If you are using Windows, click on it. Otherwise, click on Mac option or Linux option if it will be there. Okay. So now let's get started with Visual Studio Codes. In Visual Studio Codes, you need the Python software, means Python 3.10, because it's a supportive means you can say supportive software for your system to code with Python. Okay, you need to install it. Now here will be some in the introduction of Visual Studio Codes. It will ask you for some settings, and you will be giving all that to it, and like contrast mode, light mode, and Python interpreter, and then run and debug your Python file, explode more resources, like that. All the things it will ask from you, and you have to just allow each and everything. Okay, and let me immediately tell you that how to create any kind of first project. So as I already opened a folder in it, so let me open one more folder, or let me code it in the same to make a new file. You have to just double tap at this place, and then there will be such an interface. Click on select a language, and after that all the languages will be there. Let me show you the names: batch, by binary, C, and many more are there. And there is Python as well in the list. I will search it at this place, Python. It will give me this option. I will click on it. um, is there any I think it was not selected completely. Python, let me click on it. Yeah, it's now selected. As you can see, the icon of Python is there. Means it's a .py file. And here you can code anything. You can rename it also and add this column. Now, what are libraries? Libraries are such a type of modules that should be included in your Python project for making a specific game, web development, or any kind of GUI or graphical user interface. If you are using Python for making a specific function, you need a specific library for that purpose. For installing libraries, I will be telling you in the next video. And that's all for this video. Meet you in the next video. For that, thank you. Bye bye.